Andy from Addicted to Ships and Trips here. Welcome to this room tour of Stateroom 9643 on the mid of Deck 9 of Star of the Seas. First thing you notice then is there is not actually a card holder for the keys. You've got then the thermostat to start with. And then do not disturb sign that you can put on the outside of the door. And so before we go in the bathroom then, let's have a look around. So firstly, got a few coat hooks there. Trash can under this little table that you can move. The main desk. We've got the standard day one press for $19.99. View of the shows. Just stay on that for a little while longer just so you can see. You've got the cruise compass, which is now digital, and then you've got this mirror illuminated, and let's have a look at the drawers. So we have I guess that's a photo of them. It's all in the cellophane. Let's push that chair back in. Okay, what's in the drawers? So hairdryer, tells you about disposing sharps, etc. Tissues, nothing in that one, or that one. They are quite deep drawers. More here. Wow, lots of breakfast menus there. And you've got the breakfast menu and also the room service menu. Then you've got the fridge. It is empty. Quite a cool lamp, I like that. Electrical outlets then, so you've got a European USB-C, which is good. It's the first time I've seen that on all of the ships I've been on recently. I think that's awesome. And what else do we have? You've got lots of mini shelving here. Aha! It's another USB and USB-C there as well. Here's the TV. Fairly decent size. And this is where the view is with a difference. So this looks out onto Central Park. It's not a great view because you've got a roof in the way. However, it does generate a lot of natural light, which is good. So we have then another USB by the side of the bed, and there we go. There is a US outlet there, so therefore it stands to reason. Oh no, it doesn't. So there isn't a US outlet the other side, but there is another USB. Room telephone. The options for wake up call, dining, guest services and housekeeping. have this sofa and some cool artwork. So let's look at the closet space. So firstly then you've got these screechy baskets underneath, 4 of those. Fairly decent size, and then above that you've got 22 hangers. That's going to be plenty for me. You've got your laundry service bag there and the sheet to fill out as well. Not a full drop in this closet, however, excuse my bag, there is a full drop in this one. Couple of hangers there, and yeah, there's my bag in there, out of the way. And just want to check, oh good, yes, so they're not the annoying hangers that you have to leave in there, you can move them. So yeah, if you want to put some dresses, I guess, for example, in this closet, then you can do. So let's take a look at the bathroom. The light is already on, which is good. Oh, that's a different door, isn't it? So you've got the towels actually in the shower area. Another hanger. You've got a seat. You can sit down in the shower as well. A handle as well. The metal dishes for your soaps, shower gels, shampoos, etc. It does have the Salt and Breeze double duty hair and body wash. Pretty standard shower head. Right, let's pop back out and show you the wash up area. Fairly small sink, and then another illuminated mirror. Hello. Underneath, spare toilet rolls and shelves, and another trash can there. Another drawer there as well. That's a nice, funny, angular one. A couple of glasses. Another 2 US sockets here. More shelving next to the toilet. And there we have the WC2. So there we go, that's the bathroom. And there is another, there's a full length mirror as you step out of the bathroom as well. Now, one thing I just want to check on, because when I was last on Royal Caribbean on Wonder of the Seas a couple of weeks ago, there wasn't a whole lot of room under the bed to put a suitcase. Okay, I'm not sure if my case will go under. It looks like it will, but you don't know. And also there's a padded seat in the window as well. And there we have it, guys. That completes my tour of room 9643, an ocean view with a difference / inside room on mid of deck 9 on Star of the Seas. I've been on a lot of cruises recently, so do check out Wonder of the Seas, Norwegian Prima, Norwegian Joy, Norwegian Bliss, and everything there is still to come from Star of the Seas as well, along with a whole back catalogue. So do consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to be notified when new content drops. If you've enjoyed this video, then do give me a thumbs up. And until the next upload, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.